what is the purpose of experience is all about what mistakes one should not make or repeat in the future. Life has always been lived future backwards. We always lived life future backwards. So we always told ourselves, let us work hard today, let us save today, and we shall be happy in the future. So the present was lived chasing an illusory future. And again, COVID-19 has taught us to appreciate the present as the present from divine, present as a gift. The grass is always green on the other side. And that is always a mirage. Opportunities are here and now, before you. People join organizations but leave bad bosses. So from my experience, here's my advice. If you get along with your boss, good. But if you have a difficult boss, thank your luck, because you will have accelerated learning and exponential growth. Opportunity here now, before you, it is fleeting. Yes, you will have butterflies in the stomach, but fortune always rewards the brave. You guys are in the right place, right time, and I feel there's so much more to learn, discover, and shape future of your organization. So to quote Lenin, sometimes nothing happens for decades, but decades can happen in weeks, as we are seeing now. Learning of 2010, 2020 COVID crisis, the same thing, setting up asset, human beings should not multitask, but have to be multi-potentialite. Fundamentally crave for attention. But more important than attention is to know what is happening around us. What happened when I slept? Are we missing something? What the most of the generation at here I will call it FOMO. So fear of missing out. So this is the part of a reptilian brain. Was there an animal attack on the tribe the previous night when I slept, when I was sleeping? So I can tell you, media is not going anywhere. Though the form and formats of consumption will continue to evolve. People would have checked the mobile phone. But that is an innate nature. You can't help it. If something does not hold our attention, we will distract and we have to see something. So therefore, let us say about print journalism. Pre-COVID, it was the frivolous dominating the significant. The frivolous dominating the significant, and depth of consumption replaced by width. That is shifting preferences of increasingly time-poor consumers to short, the 10-second TikTok video, short burst of consumption. Future is certainly bright for credible and curated journalism. And if you don't evolve your product to the constantly changing consumer preference, suddenly one day, like Washington Post, you will collapse and die. And that is really, because most of the time when we take decisions, we think we are deciding on the blink or gut feel, but it is not. The blink, Malcolm Gladwell talks about it, that how our years of practice, experience, all that comes to us in that second. What the consumers love is the story. More important than what you do and how you do, it's about what is the story around you. So therefore, without story and without storytelling, without narrative, we are a plain dry commodity. So how much of this time are you spending contemplating, creating, and consuming? Now, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.